Good morning, children. Today is Tuesday, and as usual, we have English class. If you remember, in the previous class, we learnt about the poem Bird Talk, and today we will do question and answers and textual exercises. But before doing that, let's give a quick revision to the poem. Okay? Now, all of you take out your textbooks and be ready. Come on. So, take out your textbook and open page number 11. Come on, let's start. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Okay, children. Now, let's do question and answers. Now, there are 3 question and answers. Let's see that. First question. Name the 2 birds in the poem. Can you name them? Yes, you're right. The 2 birds are robin and jay. Second, what are the 3 things that people can't do? Yes, the 3 things that people can't do are they can't fly, they can't sit on wires, they can't get feathers and wings. Next, what do birds think of people? Yes, they think that people are very funny. Okay, next exercise. Now coming to talk time. Imagine what 2 elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about what people look like, what they eat, how they walk. So imagine that 2 elephants are there, just like 2 birds, robin and jay. Here also there are 2 elephants, and just imagine that what these 2 elephants would be talking or discussing about the humans, about people. Yes. So firstly we will see what they think about people look like. So they would think that people, they have small ears, whereas elephants have big ears. You can see in the picture. Next, people have small short nose, whereas elephants, yes, very big. So elephants think that we have huge personality, but people, they are very small or short beside them. You can see in the picture. Now let us see what they think about eating habits. They think that people, they eat very little, whereas elephants, yeah, they have huge amount food. Next, then how they walk. They think that people have only 2 legs to walk, whereas we elephants have 4 legs to walk. So in this way, you can say number of differences between elephants and people. Next, coming to the second question in the same exercise, talk time. Let's find 2 things which you can do and the birds can't do? Come on, think children. Which you can do but which birds can't do? Yes, we can talk. We have a language to talk. But whereas birds only they give sounds. We can laugh. Birds cannot. We can drive vehicles, whereas birds cannot. We can cook and we can operate gadgets like cell phones and computers, whereas birds cannot. So you can give so many differences. Okay, understood children? Good. Next, coming to team time. Making finger puppets. So this is an activity. You read the instructions given carefully. They are given in page number 12 and 13. Read them carefully. And you also prepare two finger puppets of different size and shape and color. And you paste them in your flower scrapbook. And if possible, you post it in the WhatsApp group. Now coming to the next exercise. Let's write. Listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. So one example he has given, sounds of birds. So one sound is chip, chip, chip. So another you can write ka, ka, ka. Another one coo, coo, coo. Can you tell me some more sounds of birds? Yeah. Chee, chee, chee. Quack, quack, quack. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Like this you can give so many sounds. Okay? Now coming to the next one. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. So what are the words given in the box? Yeah. Nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. So now using these words you have to frame sentences. So I have given you few. You need not to write the same sentences. You can write the sentences of your own. Okay? Now let's see. The birds fly high in the sky. The birds chirp when they fly. The birds have wings to fly. The birds come back to their nests after having food and water. Okay? Next exercise. Turn to page number 14. Now here you can see, write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one has done for you. So that means here you have to write rhyming words. What do you mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words are 2 or more words that don't start with the same sound, but they end with the same sound. Here if you observe, one example he has given, grow, know, throw. Here if you observe, grow is starting with G, that is G sound. Next, know is N sound. Throw is Th sound. So the starting sound is different, but the ending sound you observe, grow, O, know, O, throw, O. So it is ending with O, O. That means the starting sound is different, but ending sound will be same. So such words are called as rhyming words. So down some more words are given. Let's see. Day, bay, say. So here it is ending with same sound, that is A. Next, think, blink, sink. Okay, fourth one, funny, bunny, sunny. Fifth, eat, seat, beat, So you observe the ending sounds. Sing, wing, ring. Okay, children, did you understand? That means it starts, that is starting sound is different, whereas ending sound is same. They are called as rhyming words. Okay, this one you write down in your English classwork. Next is say aloud. Certain words are given. Let us say aloud. Say after me. Think, thin, three, this, that, though, 10, top, tank. Okay, children, did you understand? Okay. Now, today's home assignment is write question answers and rhyming words in your English classwork. Number 2. Taking the help of bird talk poem, try to write a poem about elephant talk and post it in the class WhatsApp group. And number 3. Make 2 finger puppets of different size and color and paste it in the flower scrapbook. Okay, children. Thank you. See you in the next class.